Okay, we started with a Lexan plate, polycarbonate. Now we're gonna do our 2Sound Digital 800. We're making sure that the woofers are happy in their enclosure using our SMD meter. So we have 4 woofers wired in series parallel for a final impedance of 4 ohms. And through the entire frequency range that we're going to be using, we're averaging between 10 and 4 ohms. Perfect. Okay, we're all wired up. So we have a piece of polycarbonate and bulletproof glass that's drilled and tapped, and the amplifiers are all securely mounted to it. We were originally just going to put the 2 800s up here, but being normally you can't fit the DSP and the 800s, the previous shop went and cut the mount that supports the side of the speaker pods. So since they cut the sides of the mounts off, the pods are no longer supported, which is something we wouldn't do because you see that it gives you some flex in the fairing, but it's still bolted here, here, and at the bottom. So since they cut the top of the plate, the side support mounts, you could see it there. Then now the pods have nowhere to bolt to on the inside because there's normally a normal metal bracket that runs here that they cut off. But being that they cut it off, it gave us an extra 4 to 5 inches. We're able to mount the DSP, 801, and the 800.4. Okay, this one's done and ready to go. So we have our Rockford Idylling Maestro DSR1 installed. This is a little trick that I'll show you guys in a future video for the DSR1 to eliminate the popping. We have our 800.1 4 ohms running our 4 mid-bass drivers in the bags. We have our 800.4 running the 4 speakers and the 2 horn tweeters. Nice, neat, serviceable. This one's ready to go home.